Hi everybody, I'm Ron from Full Time Dream and Judy's behind the camera and we got something to show you today. Hi again everybody, and this is what we're going to show you today. Saker reached out to us and asked us if we'd want to do a review on their mini handheld chainsaw, electric chainsaw. We said sure, we'll do that. They sent it out to us. Pretty lightweight type of thing. It looks really good, but what comes in the package, you get the tool itself, you get a battery charger, you get a 1 amp hour 20 volt max battery, a couple of tools so that you can adjust the tension on your chain. You get a little bottle of oil because there's not an automatic oiler on it. You have to put oil on it before you use it each time. And you got the operator's manual. I'm going to look at the handle, or look at the little tool up close right to start with, to see what there is. There's a guard that goes on the top that's adjustable so that as you're cutting it moves out of the way, but it'll protect you. So you got to keep your hands out of the way. There's a hand guard underneath that when you grip it, you can go ahead and grip it and it protects your fingers from any of the brush or whatever that you're working on. It's got a safety button on the side of the grip so that you press that button in before you press the handle in for it to work. Now, the tool is set up with the safety button only on one side. It's not on the other side. So it's only for right-handed operation. That's one thing that I noticed right away. 20 volt battery snaps into a place just like so. And again, you press the safety button in, you pull the trigger, and the chain goes. What we're going to do right to start with, before we do anything, is we're going to put a couple of drops of oil on it. And we already put the battery on the charger and we have it fully charged. So you can hear exactly how loud it is. Now, I've got regular glasses on. You should probably use safety glasses while you're using it. And you should be wearing gloves while you're doing it also. You probably can't tell right now, but we've gone through a couple of pretty major winter storms. First we had 6 foot of snow that melted off. Then we had another storm, but we got another 4 feet of snow and 80-mile-an-hour winds. And of course now everything is thawed off, the snow's gone. But in the wind and all of the snow damp and stuff that we've had a bunch of limbs that have gone down. So we're going to go ahead and use our little Saker hand tool to see how it cuts. We'll start out with some smaller stuff. It cuts pretty quick. I do notice that if you put down an awful lot of pressure, you can stop the chain. So just let the chain do the work and let it work its way through it. Now this is black locust. This is pretty hard to begin with. So this is actually doing a really good job of cutting this stuff up. Let's go ahead and try something here. This is probably about the max amount that you want to try to do with this. You can see how big the chain is and what we're going through. So we're going to go ahead and give it a shot and see what we get from doing this. Not bad at all. It's really doing quite a job on it. Again, we'll try it again for a little bit bigger. And yeah, I'm really surprised at the power that the little saw has. Now they say that fully charged the battery will last you 3 hours of cutting. But I guess that's probably all determined on what size material you're cutting and what you have in mind. If you're planning on cutting a cord of firewood, it's not the tool for you. But I think that it's going to work out great for us being able to pack it away. It's lightweight. We can pack it and take it with us when we're on the road. You get to a campsite and you want to get some deadfall and cut it up to make a campfire, if that's allowed at the campground that you're at. You can do that. You can, as you can see, what we're doing is cleaning up branches and stuff that are in our yard that are down off the trees. But if you need to trim stuff back when you're getting into your boondocker spot and you need to trim something back so that it doesn't rub on your rig, I think that's another good use for it. Now we're really going to try to max it out. Yeah, power. Okay, I took the battery off because I'm waving the thing around, and I want, for safety reasons, I didn't want it to start back up while I'm waving it around. But overall, I'm very surprised at what the little saw can do for you. It actually has gone far and above what my expectations were. We want to thank Saker for allowing us to do a review on it, and I guess the only thing that I don't like is that it doesn't have an automatic oiler, where you have to make sure that you put the oil on or it's going to burn up your chains or whatever. But other than that, I think that it's a really good product, and for the price of it, you're not going to find anything better, I don't think. If you go to the Saker website, it comes in a multitude of choices in what you get for this. This is the smallest package that you get, with one battery, the one chain and bar, and the charger and all of that. The other packages have either 2 chains, 2 batteries. You can get them as many as 4 chains. I mean, if you're going to be using it an awful lot, yeah, you probably want to get one of the other packages. Right now on their website, this saw is $89.99. The other packages go up in price as you go up in the thing. But you'll also not find just the chainsaws on their website. Their website, they've got all different kinds of hand tools. Now, on the saw it says that its max amount, the size of the limb that you cut, is supposed to be about 2 1/4 inches. And as you can tell, I went and overdid it a little bit just to see what it would do. And I did about 3 1/2 or 4 inch piece of wood that we cut through, and it cuts through it in no time. I mean, probably faster than you can with a handsaw for sure. On that note, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to put them in the comments, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.